Hello students, we have come to the last part of this chapter, fraction related to set, page number 58. In this picture, there is a set of 4 candles. Okay, there are 4 candles, 1, 2, 3, 4. It has been divided into 2 equal parts, and what part has been colored, that is half. A part has been colored, and half of 4 is, what is the half of 4? Half of 4 is 2. This set, okay, so half of 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So they have divided into 2 equal set. Okay, so what is the half of 4? Half of 4 is 2. So they have made 2 candles in one set. Okay, so 1 part, 2 part. So they have divided 4 candles into 2 parts. This is a set of 8 marbles. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has been divided into 4 equal parts. One of the part is colored. That is that is a quarter part, that is a 1/4 part has been colored. This means 1 upon 4 of 8 is 2. Means there are 8 marbles. If 1/4 part means they have made a set of 2 marbles. Okay, so 1/4, the shaded part is the quarter part or 1 upon 4 part. Okay, it means that you have to write shaded part as 1 and the total number of parts 1, 2, 3, 4. Total number of set are 4. So 1 upon 4 of 8. So if you divide like that, when 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So 8 marbles are put into the set. Okay, and each set has 2 marbles. This is a set of 12 balls. Okay, which has been divided into 4 equal parts. First it is divided into 4 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are colored. So these are the colored parts. It means that of 3 upon 4 part is colored. 3 upon 4 of 12 is 9. Means 9 balls are colored, and that's why it is 3 upon 4. Okay, and 3 balls are uncolored. Basically we are coming to the exercise. Circle a portion of set equal to the given fraction. Now see, what is the fraction here? 1 upon 2. 2, the denominator means, see, the denominator tells number of objects. Okay, so there are 2 objects, 2 apples, no, 1, 2. Now how many parts we have to divide this 2? We have to divide them into half parts. So there are how many apples? 2 apples. So we have to circle one part of the, because it is half. So there are 2 apples. Now half of 2 is 1. So we will shade 1 apple. Now let us see the second question. 2 upon 3. Okay, 2 upon 3 means we have to make 3 sets. So let us make 3 sets. Let us count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there are 6 leaves. Now let us say 3 is table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So we will divide the leaves into, means 6 goes in 3's table. How many times? 2 times. So we will divide the leaves into 3 sets. Okay, and set of 2. Now we have to, what is the numerator? 2. So we have to make 2 sets. first set, second set. Okay. Now 3 upon 4. Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many balls are there? 8. Now 8 goes in 4's table. How many times, children? 2 times. 4 2s are 8. So again you will make set of 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And tell me the numerator 3. So we have to make 3 set. First set, second set, and third set, because 3 upon 4. See, 4 is basically tells how many set you have to make. Okay. And 3 tells you, the numerator tells you how many set you have to show. Okay. Now it is 2 upon 4. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 is the denominator. Now we have to shade. We have to make 2 parts. So 1 and 2. Now let us see 1 upon 5. So how many stars are there? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total number of stars 10. Now when you divide 10 by 5, so what is the answer? 2. So let us make set of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you divide 10 by 5, what is the answer? 2. So you are going to make set of 2 stars. Okay. Each set should have 2 stars. So total number of set 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1 upon 5. So how many sets you are going to circle? 1 set. Then it is 3 upon 5. Total number of ice cream 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is correct. Now how many you have to circle? 3. 1, 2, 3. With this we have come to the end of the chapter. Kindly practice the practice sheet. Thank you.